Did you press start?
Yes.
I didn't hear it. Restart! Go again! Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. I have had feedback by the guy behind the camera that it is a bit boring, the last episode. So I'm going to try and liven it up. I'm going to try and make more jokes. I'm going to try and make it a bit more happy. Please don't go crazy that my jokes are really bad. I'm trying. But anyway, back on the build. We are going to be doing step 4 and 5, and that's going to be basically the front of the chassis. So we've done all the rear, the fuel tank, all that, and we did that in the last few episodes. So now we're going to start doing the front, so in the engine bay area and stuff like that. So yeah, we'll get into that next, and I'll see you there, hopefully. I don't know. Alright, so we have finished painting everything that is in semi-gloss and gloss black. It's all here. If you can spot all the shiny parts, that's everything that we've painted on both of these parts. But now we're going to be painting the calipers in silver. The brakes in silver, and we're going to be painting the actual calipers in red, like the rear, so that it's a bit of a performance caliper sort of thing. So yeah, we're going to get into that, and then after that we're going to start assembly. So we have finished painting everything. It looks really good. So we've painted these parts here, we've painted these here, and then we've painted most of everything that's here. I think everything that's left except for that. But anyway, we're gonna cut it off the pieces of board now, and then we're gonna glue them together, and then we'll later glue them onto the chassis, which is here. So yeah, we'll do that after. So yeah, you'll see that next, and have fun. cutting everything and cleaning them up, and they look really good. So here we have everything here that we're going to be using. So first we're going to be doing step 4, which is basically assembling the front axle and the steering system. And what this model car has that's really cool is it has a working steering system. So they're going to be parts here, like there and there, that we're not going to be gluing, so that it can allow the car to actually turn. So that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be gluing everything that we need to glue, not gluing everything so that it steers. And yeah, let's get started. So we finished cutting, we finished painting, we finished gluing. That's not the order, but that doesn't matter. Anyway, we finished doing everything for the front suspension and the front axle and all that sort of stuff. And it looks great, it looks awesome. It matches really well with the rear axle, as it should, because it's a part of the car, same car. Anyway, it looks awesome, that's the point. And yeah, what's really cool about it is it has a working steering, which is really cool. So that's awesome. So yeah, a cool feature of the model, and yeah, so we're gonna get up to the next part and we'll see you then. Alright guys, I apologise for my great speaking in this episode. It's very late and I'm getting to the point of sleeping. But anyway, please like, subscribe, leave a comment and hit that bell for video notifications. We'll see you next time. Alright, so we finished painting, we finished gutting everyone. We finished gutting.
I'm gutted that you said.
I apologize for my great speaking. It's very late and